Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at notarizing a minor child piercing consent form. Now, it's not generally legal for minors, people under 18, to get piercings, even ear piercings in some cases, without consent from a parent. So this is a document you may come across. So here, this would be filled out by the parent, this consent form. And so today our parent is Caleb, and he has filled this out for Ivy, who wants a piercing, but she's 16. So here, Caleb is giving consent, and we see here it's a belly button piercing. And so all we really need to do is drop the signature place for Caleb, the date, his printed name, and then give the oath, and then we can start dropping our information. So let's start doing that. So here for parent guardian signature, I'm going to press the hotkey of S, and I'm going to choose Caleb. And I'm going to just size that down here. And for the date, I'm going to press D for today's date. And then the printed name, I'm going to press the hotkey 1. And I'm going to choose Caleb's name and put that here. Now, after I've sworn Caleb to this document, I can start dropping my details. So I'm going to press T for a text box, State of New York. Another text box for the county. Just make that a little bit bigger for myself. Orange. And personally appeared, and that's going to be Caleb's name. So I'm going to press 1, choose Caleb's name, and put that here. And I missed the date, so let's make sure we put that in. I'm going to put a text box for 10th. And another text box for October. Another text box for 2025. Okay, and now I can drop my signature, my name, and my seal. So let's do that. I'm going to drag my signature. I'm going to adopt this signature right there. I'm also going to put my name right here, and I'm going to drag my seal over. And so now that we finished the document, I'm going to ask Caleb if everything looks correct before I complete the session. I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.